Hello everyone, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today's new topic is new videos. Today's video how to buy Sol and so cryptocurrency buys exchange rates on buy the cryptocurrency by Sol. We reviews how to buy Solana, which in high demand it is once our best platform cryptocurrencies of all time. It is reviews available for purchase of these large regular crypto exchange. Some crypto experts have debated a Solana blockchain. The estimate killer is Sol attempts. The reviews many contend the elements is it is such high gas free and success issues. Is a result retailer invest Sol in 2021 made in one of the most successful additional all-time ranging values under $1 to every hour $200 on this page. How to buy Solana? Choose crypto exchange. We recommended e-tools. Its features CBC is SU regulated. Second, create an account. Third, deposit fund in account. Fourth, search Solana in the drop down menu. Fifth, click open trade and select amount so buy. The best crypto exchange in October 2021 hours is popular Sol listed in the most regulated crypto exchange. Most deposit method, most regular fees wallet, buy crypto rate reviews, companies crypto exchange, A-Road Library Crypto Dot Rating, mobile app reviews, features, wallet numbers 32 14 10, fees 0%, trading speed null, withdrawal fees $5, extra mini deposit 5 $15,000, €100. Now thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel for latest mission update.